Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to this very famous intersection, Do Ba and Chao Thi Vinh Thé. I'm gonna show you on the map right now here. I'm gonna take a stroll over here and check out what's new over there. I think there are some new restaurants and we're gonna take a left towards the beach. I also got my friend Nihat with me somewhere. He's still in the Umbanmi. We went here because it's nice and AC and it was empty when we came here. This is the street name here. Chao Thi Vinh Thé. You definitely have to remember this name. And yeah, here you can get some nice juices. Whenever you see gomga rice, chicken rice, this is also always good. Chicken rice or kum tam with the pork chop. Beautiful. Let's wait for my friend and then let's ride. Or walk better. Lots of motorbikes here in the street. This is also a very busy street. If you go straight ahead, there's also way more nice street food places here. All right, let's go. We are here at the start. We're gonna have lots of very interesting places here. This is also my old barber here. But they messed up my hair once, so I never went back. But I think they're still good. It really depends who is cutting your hair. My friend Nihat, he also, he's here now since 2.5 weeks. We already made a video about him finding an apartment. Now he actually found an apartment with sea view right in the heart of the Antung area for how much?
9 million dong.
9 million dong.
To 300 euros.
Oh, that's a very good deal. Oh wow, hold on, what is this? Tofu pudding, that's new. Huh. And ban tacos. Tacos? That's interesting, I never seen this before. Lots of new places here, guys. But yeah, Nihat also found his apartment, and he also found so many apartments. It's crazy. Maybe he should make a video about that. Comment below if Nihat should make a video about apartments in Da Nang. I don't like to do this, but maybe I will do a little bit with him, and he's doing a in-depth version. He's also very into like analyzing everything, like cost of living, and he's super German. Likes to ask all the interesting questions. You may be also wondering.
Yeah.
Maybe, and I told him, you know what, if you ask so many stupid questions, you should make a video about it. Yeah.
Too curious always, huh?
Yep.
Yeah.
But you know what? Look at this. Very good bakery. If you, I'm not sure, are you on a diet again or something? I just want to show you. Look at this.
It smells unbelievable.
It's so good. Oh, but I cannot. I'm on a diet. But for everyone who wants to have sweet tooth, especially those little cake thingies, oh, this with Snickers or something. It's really good. It's very good here and good prices as well.
This is a baklava cheesecake? You must be kidding me. It's a
Cheesecake, baklava cheesecake. Wow. I've never seen something like this before. Yeah, this is Torino.
I made it once myself.
Even chocolate pretzel brownie. What? This is crazy. I gotta leave here. This is too good. I'm on a diet, so I'm sorry. See you, bye bye. Yeah. Yeah, you definitely have to save this place. But you know what? If you want to have all the best places in Da Nang, you should definitely get my Google Maps guide. There's also all the apartments Nihat already reviewed. I put them in there too. Bunda Mam Tom, this was my favorite dish, but now I'm not eating dao anymore because I don't want to have tofu, fried tofu. No. So this here was also apartment building. I'm not sure if what's happening with that. This is still the sign, but yeah, it looks like either way it's full or they are closed somehow. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's happening anything here. Huh.
Can't really tell.
Yeah. But it's an interesting place because you are straight in the very affordable food place around. This is what Sunshine Blokes love so much. He always has his pork belly banh mi here, but it's very fatty pork belly, so you gotta be careful about that. Then we got dim sum over here, and this is also very interesting. This is my wife sometimes brings it home for snacks in the evening. It's very interesting. This is like what school kids eat. But this here is like some rice papers,
Alright.
and then you put in the sauce, and then some, I don't know, some crunchy bits. Mix it up, and then you have like a little bit of a snack.
It's
Watch
like
out, bro.
nuts.
Yeah, it's all what you want to do, like fried onions or everything. Sometimes they have some shredded pork or shredded beef jerky as well in there. Very interesting Vietnamese snack.
Wow.
There's a church here on the right side, the An Thung Church, and if you go from the church straight this direction, you will be at the beach. Oh my God, it smells like paint here, huh? Someone is painting something. Ah, here, I see it. I smelled it. Look at this. Everything on the street here, guys. You got a paint shop here. Ah. Everything always on the street. You always have to keep an eye on these things. Sometimes they're sewing metal on the street, and your hair. What is going on, man? Oh my God. Where did you even get that mask?
From Shopee.
Shopee?
Yeah, exactly.
So why do you wear this mask?
To protect my skin, but especially because I have a scar on my face right now.
Oh.
Like it's an open wound.
So you went actually in these 2 weeks, you went to have an ingrown hair removed, right?
Yeah, exactly.
And how much did it cost? So they did they cut open your skin and took it out.
Yeah, exactly.
And cut it.
I went to 2 different dermatologists.
Yeah.
And went to a family-run like a little hospital as well.
Okay.
And got different opinions on that matter.
Okay.
So at the end of the day, they all said the same individually, and I said to myself that I definitely have to go for it.
Yeah.
The cost for it all, if you sum it up, including the ultrasound and the medicine and the treatment so far, was around 1.2, 1.3 million.
Okay. So
yeah,
30 bucks. 50 bucks.
50 bucks. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely affordable.
And then they got some stitching now, and then when do they take out the stitches?
Actually, in 3.5 hours.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So that's why you keep your skin protected from with that Shopee mask. Is that a Shopee mask what the Asian ladies always use to stay clean? Not.
Yeah.
Why do they use that?
Yeah, they use it not to get tanned.
Oh, when you drive motorbike, maybe.
Motorbikes, as well as when you're just outside walking around, because being pale here is also equal to having a higher, how to say,
status,
in society.
Oh.
Yeah, this is one thing, and the
It's a
other thing
beauty
is they are
standard
afraid
also.
of skin cancer.
Yeah.
Due to the fact that the UV levels here are very high during the day.
Yeah,
And we
that's
have
true.
1 p.m. right now, so it's 10, level 10, the UV levels. It's insane.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
What is the highest?
I experienced 11 or 12
Yeah.
so far. Yeah, so it's quite high right now.
Wow. Okay, guys,
Look
you
at
gotta be
that.
careful. I try to walk in the shades as much as possible, and yeah, it's very dangerous at the moment. You gotta be careful. Don't walk around during the noontime, like I do, or just really stick to shade. And it's even better if you have long sleeve shirts on during that time of the day.
Yes, not like us.
So this is a co-working space here. But actually I want to go and have a coffee. So now we have to manage to get over there. But look at this beautiful blue sky, guys. It's fantastic. Wow. And yeah, Brouhaha is open now. Look at this, beautiful. I gotta go back to a coffee. So I need that Vietnamese coffee. I missed it so much in Thailand. I've never been really up. It's crazy. Oh, run, run, run. So how many apartments did you check out before you choose your one, what you have now?
5 different ones.
Okay.
Yeah. two different, well, actually one realtor, so it was an agent,
Yeah.
and she showed me around and showed me 3 apartments. Very kind. Took me on her bike.
Oh,
went to
cute.
the different places, and at the end of the day, the problem was nice views. For me, one condition was the sea view,
Yeah.
but the problem was that there were constructions going on almost everywhere.
Okay.
Some were way louder, some were less louder.
Yeah.
This was one thing, and the other thing was that, after finding the place where I wanted to go, I talked to the owner, and she has 2 apartments available, and the one was right above a construction site. And it was definitely a no-go for me. And
Yeah.
the second one was like, it fulfilled almost all the criteria for me.
Yep.
So that I said that's the one. Maybe not a 10 out of a 10, but for sure a 9 out of a 10 for me and for my needs.
Okay.
Yeah.
How's the bed? Everything okay?
The
Was
what,
it?
sorry?
Is it the bed? Is it
Yeah.
hard?
Oh no, it's
Because Vietnamese beds are usually hard.
okay.
The mattresses. I threw mine out right before I moved in. I bought a new one because I don't want to sleep on a used bed. And I bought a new one right away and threw out the old one.
Makes sense for long term.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
It's now I'm on it since 2 years already in my more than 2.5 years I'm in my apartment already.
Flies, so.
Yeah. But I think it's also a thing here. That's why the really good apartments, they're very rare. Because if something, it's usually if you know people, you get the good ones. If you
Yeah.
hear,
That's
you have
right.
a social circle, you get the good ones.
Yeah. So find the right people, connect, network, and then there are very high chances
Yes.
to get along here and to find what you're looking for.
But yeah, I mean, you did it by yourself and with me because of my Google Maps guide.
Obviously.
You know,
Obviously.
you already had it. Hey. But then it's very simple because you can already check all the places out in the map.
Yeah, I was so curious and asked the right questions, let's say.
Yeah.
So that's why. I'm not sure if I should do this kind of video or not.
You should do it. Comment below. All right, let's continue. I really want to check out now the Mia restaurant because I saw terrible news the other day when I was in Thailand. I saw the Mia was burned down completely. And I really want to see what's happening now. I hope they're, I already heard they just rebuild it quick, hopefully. I mean, it looked terribly, but I want to check it out. It's in this street, here on the left side, Mia. This is Marcus' favorite restaurant where he went every single day. He always ate the same thing here, and I'm wondering how bad it looks. Also, did the building next door got damaged or what happened? I'm also wondering what happened to the whole thing. Was it like gas or super dangerous? And it was on a daytime when it burned down somehow. I just thought, I forgot if it's a single house or a little tent or, yeah, we will see now. I think many of you also went to Mia often. I hope it's not that much damage. I mean, it is a damage, but I hope it wasn't that expensive to replace. So I see it. It does not look like burned down. It looks like, I don't know. Oh, okay, now I see it. Hold on. What is going on? Okay. So the glass is broken. So this is how it looks. Wow. As you can see here, some damage over there and inside. So this glass broke down, but it feels like it's, I don't know. We are closing for fixing and preparing a very new Mia. While we are overcome the consequences after the firework, you can visit our second place, Mia Restaurant Bar, on Google Maps near Monarchy Building. Monarchy Building, okay. We'll come back soon in 1 month and hope to see you there. All right. This is I hope they're gonna be back in 1 month, and I'm gonna show that as well. A little bit burned down here too, but it's not completely burned down. I don't know what's going on. But as you can see, it's not really a house. It's just like a construct between two houses. So at least it's not more people involved, thankfully. And that's the wood guy. Hello, xin chào. Yeah. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video and see you in the next one.